Oh, hi. Um, I'm looking at my future library. There'll be a video on that coming sometime. I'm still working on it. But I have something cool I want to show you. Well, I think it's cool anyway. But I'll show you right after this.
Todd Hines, epic Marx train videos. The Minneapolis Northern lives again. Those Marx trains are heading down the line. See them cross the bridge and rounding the bend. See them cross the bridge and rounding the bend.
Welcome back. As you may know, I'm a member of the Twin City Model Railroad Museum. And a lot of you have heard of Al Osterud. He was also a member at the Twin City Model Railroad Museum and my mentor in Marx. A little over a year ago, he passed away. And recently, his family donated a bunch of his trains to the museum. What I'm going to show you today is some cars that Al made. I don't know when. The name on the bottom, as you see here, my wife thinks it looks like a child's writing. But the cars are really well done. The locomotive, though, was not from Al. I bought the locomotive at a show, and it's actually kind of a hard to find switcher. So I'll show you the cars and show you it running.
videos, the Minneapolis Northern lives again. Those Marx trains are heading down the line. See them cross the bridge and rounding the bend. See them cross the bridge and rounding the bend.